this panel here. It was all broken.
Yes.
And we couldn't fill it with body filler because it was like cracked in half. So we went to Home Depot and got a piece of just, I don't know what this is, 1/8 inch plywood. It's about 1/8 inch plywood, just real thin paneling. And we cut it to fit this hole, and we're just gonna nail it in. Air compressor. Try to get one nail in it so we can. See. Oh, I should have. I didn't quite get it all the way over. I think it's okay. So the line, I made a line there because that's where the electrical is. So I don't want to hit a nail through that. Yeah, I think this panel is good. Maybe a couple more. We'll put some caulking there and in the corner. And then we're going to paint it. We also have to put one panel over here. But we'll have to cut out for that. Walls were built with interior walls, non-load bearing, were built with 1x4s or 1x3s. So I forgot to mention on the other one, I usually cut them a little short and lift them up so they're just off the ground. So we're measuring for this panel 89 and a quarter. I'm just seeing if it's the same on this. So we measured, we're not going to have to cut it this way because it's full 48 inches to that. So we just have to make it a little shorter, cut about that much off of it. Because they're 8 foot and that's not 8 feet. So I must have done that earlier. I marked for the studs, so I forgot to do that on that one. So I had to guess where to put the nails, but see, I marked where these are on the floor here.
Yeah.
So I don't have to guess where they're at when the board is up here.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
It's easier. So now we just got to go measure our board and cut it. Very it halfway up and then put a line in the middle.
Only explain for them.
Yeah. That's our marks we made. How long we want the board. You can also use the square to help unless it's uneven. But it was even all the way across, so here's the square to make the line. We just want to cut on that line. We don't have power at this house, so we have to run everything on the generator. Basically, we're trying to make the hole for the electrical. So I measured 11.5 and 15 and a quarter. So I made the marks there, 11.5, 15 and a quarter. Then I measured 17 and 7/8 and 20 and 1/8. And I made the 2 marks there, and then I drew a little box. We're gonna see if my measurements are any good or not. So. Go. We're going to see how close we are with my hole. So I need to trim a little, wait. Do I need to trim a little bit? Yeah. I need to trim a little bit on this side. Right? Yeah. And it could go up a little bit. There we go. So really, we could nail it in and then use my tool to cut. Perfect.
But and then
Yeah, it'll come. Okay.
yeah.
I get what you're saying. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay, that's exactly how you want it. Just a little bit of space is fine because you have these plates. Just get over them, and then you won't be able to see that. That's not a plate you want. That's the wrong plate, but you get the idea. There's one. Hit it?
Yes. Careful. The hand problem.
Ah, hit it. Oh, I should say, what we're using to staple it is these staples because if you use little brads or something else, it'll shoot right through this thin stuff. Okay. Perfect.